Hey guys, this is a video to fix your LED light strips if they're not working, or if they are working but you still have problems with them, like if they turn off or if they don't light up properly, etc. So the first and most common thing, the first thing you should do is with this, so mine's powered through a USB. Mine's plugged into my Xbox, see? So this is for the LED, and then you pretty much have the remote, and then it should work, right? But if it doesn't, take this out. See the 4 pins, right? You may have to clean them. See how they are very fragile. They may be bent. Like if you put them in the wrong way, or you force them in the wrong way just a little bit, they can break. So that could be a reason why they aren't working also. So look at this. If I can put this here without it falling. Look at this. So look, I'm plugging it in, right? Carefully. Now look. It doesn't work. See? Put it in this other way, and it's working. So that's the main thing. And I made another video about this. So if you haven't watched it, you should watch it. But if not, it's okay, because I just showed you here anyway. And if you need to replace the battery, because it could be a dead battery upon arrival, take it out. You have to, so with this, you have to push this thing to the right and then pull down. It's kind of tricky at first, but yeah, see? And then you can get the battery out like that, because it could be the battery. So the other thing is, right, is it working properly? Like, are your lights working properly? Does it go all the way down in brightness? Does it go all the way up? For example, when you first get it, there's a thing that says you have to press the demo. Look, I know that if you hold the power button and the demo for I think it was 5 or 10 seconds. I think it was 10 actually. That is also how you have to, this is when you first get the LED light strips. You have to hold, I think it was the power button and the demo together to get it working when you first get it. So like, even if you have this plugged in the right way, and the battery, if you replace the battery and it's not working still, I think you have to hold the demo first, and then this. Yeah. So it's either that. So it's either hold the power button and the demo for 10 seconds, or hold demo and power and then power, but at the same time for 10 seconds. But yeah, that's just one little thing if it's not working when you get it. See, look, now it's still, so it's stuck on demo, but then now it's doing this. Keep clicking it. Like, if you want if you want a setting where it's not flashing, keep clicking mode all the way. See, this is the setting that I have it on. where it changes colors without flashing, because the flashing does get really annoying. And you can keep it like this, and you can increase the speed of it. Like, look how crazy, look how let me turn the light. Actually, no, it's fine. Look how crazy that goes. Like, you can just imagine what it looks like at night time. It's not even night time here, but yeah, it goes nuts. So yeah, I'll turn that back down because that's really quick. But if your LED light strips still aren't working, it could be the USB device that you're using. So for example, the Xbox works because it still has power, but if I use the speakers, if I plug this into my speakers, and look at fluff dust here, I don't actually have it on this one, but my speaker over there, if I plug the USB into that speaker, it won't work because there's not enough voltage going into it, not enough power for this to work with the USB plugged in. This will work with one of these though. You could use any charger that you can just take the USB out. This is what I recommend using, just one of these like phone chargers. So just take that out and plug this one into that, and it should work too. If it's not working even after you like change the pins around or whatever, it's very important. And honestly, I do have another LED light strip with a different remote, and I know that I have problems with that one because it actually plugs into an adapter. Like it's one of these things. It's not USB powered, and it makes a lot of noise, like whirling sounds. So I unplugged it, and when I unplugged it, there was electricity that came out of the power board. So be careful with the ones that you plug right directly into your power, because they can blow up, it seems. And I think mine had the signs of doing that, and I only bought it a week ago. Just take notice of that if you have one of those types instead. And also note that they are cheap, so you may have just had a faulty one, unfortunately. You may have to buy a different LED strip, and hopefully the next one isn't faulty, because you know it's that is an issue that can happen as well. But if there's anything else, comment down below and let me know, because I do have other solutions to get it working. But yeah, thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if it worked or if it didn't work, and if you want me to do another video on the light strip or even the power one that I have, which is over here on the wall there, and it goes all the way around the back behind here. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.